Hey guys, so today's video is going to be a FabFitFun unboxing. I haven't sat down and recorded a video with my nice camera and a studio light in a very long time, so I apologize if I sound weird. I feel a little awkward, but I wanted to start getting back into filming videos for you guys. It's just something that I really miss. I know you guys do too, and I apologize it's been so long. I just can't find a rhythm. Being a mom, new married wife, going back to work full-time, 3/12s, it's nights in the ICU. It's just really been hard for me physically, mentally. I'm trying my best to just every single day do my best, if that makes sense. I think also we may possibly be moving into a new house, so it's going to be so much better to have more room because right now this room is completely taken up with baby stuff. My husband just took the baby out to go look at the potential new house, so I have some time to film. I have to leave in about 20 minutes to go to work. I woke up early just to film this video for you guys. So today I wanted to share with you what I got in my FabFitFun summer box. I used to do unboxings and hauls all the time. It's one of my favorite things. I love just seeing what people get. And what's awesome about this box is that it's seasonal. The subscription is, they have a seasonal one or an annual one, 4 times a year. And if you get the seasonal membership, it's $6.99 per box. And then if you do the annual membership, you actually save a little bit more money. It's $219.99 for the year, but it ends up being $55 per box. Now keep in mind, these are all, like I said, full-size products. So for example, here's one right here. One of these products that I have here, actually this right here, these two is $55, and that's almost as much as the whole box itself. So you are saving so much money, and it's a really fun way, I think, to be able to try stuff out that you've always wanted to try but you didn't want to buy it full price. I would have never bought this separately. Each box is valued at up to $350. Now I would show you literally me unboxing it, but my dog completely destroyed my box. So yeah, it was a very stormy day like it is today. My dog absolutely hates thunder, lightning, rain, all of it, and she will just go crazy and eat the walls, eat the doors, eat whatever boxes we accidentally leave on the ground like I did with this one. 2 promo codes that they gave me that I wanted to share with you guys before we get into the products. The first one is using the code Kayleigh, and if you become a seasonal member, you can get 20% off your first box. The other code, if you become an annual subscription member, then you can get a $200 free gift in your box using the code KAYLEIGHGIFT. I'm excited to show you guys what I got because I've been wanting to use these products ever since my dog ripped them up out of my box. And yeah, so let's get into it. The first I wanted to share with you guys is the Amama Mirror Ball High Shine and Protect Antioxidant Conditioner and Shampoo. So I have been using for a very long time Olaplex, but I feel like my hair is just kind of getting used to it and I need to try something new. So Amama is one of my most favorite brands. I love how a lot of their products are sulfate free, and it's just better ingredients. It's made with red wine and grape leaf extract. Helps to keep hair color vibrant, which I do get my hair toned every few months, so that's nice. I tried the Amama dry shampoo once, and I feel like I just fell in love with the brand, so I wanted to get some more Amama stuff. This is the Smooth Over Frizz Fighting Treatment. This is $32. My hair has been so crazy frizzy. I feel like I can usually contain the frizz when I'm in the house with the AC, but as soon as I leave the house or as soon as I go to work, I don't know what it is about being in the hospital, I guess the air in there, it makes my hair so frizzy that it is embarrassing. So I'm hoping that this is going to help me. So after you do your shampoo and conditioner, you squeeze the excess water from your hair, fully saturate the product from mid-lengths to ends, wait a minute, and then rinse. Heat style for best results. Another hair product, this is the I&H Sleek Stick Hair Wax Stick. This is my first time ever trying something like this, and it is $18. I've been using right now, I'll just use a round brush and some hairspray to sleek my hair back for putting it in a ponytail for work. And it works okay because I have very fine hair. I can't open this with my nails, but I wanted something that actually was made for slicking the hair back to see if it really made a difference, because sometimes throughout my shift, my little like baby hairs start coming out. I have lost so much hair I can't even tell you around the 6-month mark after having my baby. I had the most beautiful, luscious, gorgeous hair for so long. And I was like, wow, I guess I'm not one of those moms that lose their hair. This is amazing. And then all of a sudden around the 6-month mark, like actual handfuls of hair every time I take a shower are falling out. And you can see when I put my hair back in a ponytail how bad it is around my hairline, and then also how much hair is missing just like overall in general. It's just like gaps everywhere. So I'm hoping that this can really like smooth out and clean things up. I got also a candle. I'm so excited. I always have candles lying around. I really wanted to try this one from the brand Homesick. It's called Cheers to You. And because the the scent is citrus and peony, and that just sounded really good to me. I love like florally fruity stuff. Those two combined together are perfect to me. And it is so good. It's just so cute. It's gonna look nice on my table when I clear it off and clean it. My house is a complete wreck, so the least I can do is at least make it smell good. Alright, next I wanted to show you guys these sunglasses. I walk my baby every single day unless it's raining like it is right now. I will walk him in the stroller outside around our apartment complex, so I'm always wearing sunglasses and trying to find like a cute pair that'll elevate my outfit a little bit. I haven't tried them on yet. I haven't even seen. Oh my god, yes. Absolutely, just immediately yes. These are the perfect ones for me. I think these are my new favorite. And it actually blocks out the light really well. Wow. So these are the Velodrome sunglasses in black, $55. So freaking cute. I'm obsessed. These are going to be the new rotation. And then lastly, I wanted to show you guys this Swell food canister. It's 2 cups, 16 ounces. Again, something for work because I always bring my lunch with me. Working nights, it's hard to get food. Nothing is ever open. It's pretty cool. It's different. It says it's durable, eco-friendly, BPA-B, PS-free, and reusable, dishwasher safe, refrigerator and freezer friendly, leak-proof silicone lid. I eat a lot more than this, especially while breastfeeding. So this is more like a snack size to me. I do wish it was bigger by like 3 times the size. That would be nice. But this will be like a cute little fruit, like nuts and cheese kind of canister, and I will 100% be using this. So the price on this one is $23. So for everything that I showed you guys, the total value is $205 if I was to buy all of this separately. And honestly, I would buy all these different things. I'm very interested in all of them. It's just that they were all individually too much money. Do you know what I'm saying? So the seasonal membership, if I was to have that and I had only paid $69.99, I would have saved $135 total. If I had an annual membership and I paid $55 per box, then I would have saved $150 total. So that is a lot. I enjoyed this box, and I think that you guys should use one of my coupon codes to either get 20% off of your first box with the code Kayleigh if you get a seasonal membership, or $200 really cool gift that can be thrown into the box if you get an annual membership. You can use the code KAYLEIGHGIFT for that. But yeah, I have to go to work right now. I lost 2 nails. Okay. I just pressed these on really quick, so I'm like, I gotta look somewhat presentable. Alright. I'm going to go get changed, go to work, get my lunch packed in my new little canister. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. I don't know when the heck I'm gonna edit this. Hopefully soon. I gotta figure my life out really seriously. Like I don't know. I just don't have enough free time. And I'm trying to figure out like where to fit things, if that makes sense. But yeah, hopefully you guys are all doing good. Thank you so much for watching. And if you have a FabFitFun subscription, let me know how you like it. Let me know like what you got in your summer box, what you think about it. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video, whatever I can film quickly. If it's not a vlog, I'm still trying to figure that out. So if you have ideas, I'm open to them. But I do want to upload more for you guys, for sure. I know that for sure. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I will update you guys on life very soon. And yeah, thanks for watching.